3 digit multiplied by 1 digit. Okay. So now, as the heading says, 3 digit multiplied by 1 digit. So we'll take a number that is of 3 digits here. We will multiply it with 1 digit, and then we'll get the answer as 4 digits. Now I'm going to explain you how we are going to get the answer in 4 digits. As we can see, we will just take a imaginary number, suppose 729 multiplied by 5. Okay, so this is 3 digit. This is 1 digit. Now, I am saying that the answer will come in 4 digit. How? Let's see. These are 3 digit here, so I'll just write 3 last, and these is 1 digit. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So that's how we got 4 digit. Okay, understood until till here? Now, why is it so important for us to know how many digits, in how many digits the answer will come? Because we have to do the placing accordingly. So if the answer will come in 4 digits, we will take 4 rows in our abacus. That will be the thousandth rod, the hundredth rod, the 10th rod, and the 1st rod. Okay. Now we have taken the number here 729 multiplied by 5. So we obviously know the answer will come in 4 digits. This is 3 digits. This is 1 digit. Now, how will we solve this? I am telling you the easiest method, that is to multiply each number with 5. Okay. So what we will do, first we will set imaginary rods in our mind. I am telling you this mentally. Okay. Okay. So now 729 multiplied by 5. First we'll multiply 7 with 5. What is the answer? 35. So we'll set 35 from the 4th rod of the abacus. So the answer will become 3500 because we have no, we had no beat here, we had no number, we had no value here. So the value automatically becomes 0. Now, second step, we'll multiply 2 with 5. 2 with 5 is how much? 10. So now we will decrease the number of rods. So what we'll do on the 3rd rod, we'll set it. So 10. 1, 0. And then imaginary 0 will set here. Now, third step, multiply 9 by 5. How much is it? 45. So as we were decreasing the rod, we have done the 4th rod, we've done the 3rd rod. Now we'll go into the 2nd rod. 10th rod, that is, the answer was 45. 45. No imaginary 0 here. So automatically our answer becomes 3645. And as I told you, the answer will be in 4 digits. Understood till your answer?
Yes.
Okay. Any doubt?
No.
Okay. So now I will write all of it. You have to write it in your notebook as well. This is the notes. All of you can write it. Okay. So that you remember it always, that how you have to do, so you don't have to look it up on a net, or you don't have to ask me again and again. Okay. Till you write it. Now I'm writing more. So what I have written here, the first step, 7 to 9 multiplied by 5, what we'll do, we'll multiply 7 by 5, the answer will be 35, and then we'll set it from the fourth rod. Okay. Now I'm drawing the diagram as well. Now, the second step. I hope you're writing answer.
Yes, ma'am, I'm right.
So what I've written in the second step, what we'll do, multiply 2 by 5 because the second number is 2 here. So we have multiplied it by 5, which was our 1 digit, and then we've got the answer 10. So we'll set it from the third rod, and then we'll add an imaginary or an extra 0. Now this much written answer.
Yes.
Now we're moving on to the third step. Okay. So now what I've written here as the third step. The third step is to multiply 9 by 5. The answer will be 45. So we've set from the second rod. Now here add one more point. For reference, you can take any other number as well, but I've taken 7 to 9 multiplied by 5 for reference so that you understand. You all understand very well. Understood, Ansel?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Very well. Now let's do one more question so that you have no doubt. Let's do a smaller number. 105 multiplied by 9. 4 digits answer we obviously know. Now what was our first step to multiply the first number? So 1 multiplied by 9 is how
9.
much?
9.
No, it is not 9, it is 0, 9.
Why?
Always remember in Vedic maths, in Abacus, whatever answer you're getting, you have to add a 0. If the answer is not coming in 2 digit, how many digits it is? So ये 1 digit थी, ये भी 1 digit थी, तो इसका आंसर तो 2 digit में आना था ना, तो 09. ओके आंसर. So 09. Now 0 multiplied by 9 is
0.
0. Okay. Now 5 multiplied by 9. 5 multiplied by 9 is 45. Our answer is 0945. Okay. In the answer, you can skip the 0, but don't skip the 0 here because it will mess it all up if you don't put the 0 here. Okay.
Okay.
Now to stop sharing. Understood answer? Any doubt?
No, mom.
Okay. Now answer what you'll do. You'll do. Do you have your books?
Yes.
I gave you some homework, you know.
Yes.
Did you do it?
Yes.
All of it?
No.
Why? Okay. With the homework, do 2 more pages. Okay. Now, 2 more pages of every book. Book A 2 pages, book B 2 pages. Okay. Now,